see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
So I'm back with another DIY video. Since hari ni cuaca macam okay, very nice, windy, panas pun tak panas, just nice. So I decided to do tie-dye. Since I rasa macam it is on trend and sibuk nak I know I dah lambat, but yeah, ramai gila pakai tie-dye. So I rasa macam cantik. Dekut-dekut ilmi. Oh, tak apalah, you boleh buat sendiri. So guys, I had to do it all by myself. Okay, so today I akan bleach satu baju black colour. Ini pun first try juga. Okay, since ada yang tanya, sekejap, do you guys remember the DIY jeans that I did in my previous videos? Setelah tu jadi je, cantik. Cuma bau Clorox tu dia still lekat. So benda tu yang macam buat I tak nak pakai sebab bau dia kuat sangat. Maybe next video I akan tunjuk I pakai that jeans. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this video. Bye guys. Okay guys, so this is the final outcome. As you guys can see, I'm paired with an outer because that one is short sleeve and this baju pun macam a bit fit on my body. So I think it is more appropriate if I pakai with this outer and then skirt. Okay, before I forgot, if you perasan on that video, bahagian depan ni macam a bit kosong tau. I mean, the bleach tu dia tak terkena sangat dekat bahagian depan ni, but I tambahkan lagi bleach tu dekat baju tu and then baju tu macam more bleacher, so dia nampak lagi cantik. I really satisfied with this result. If you nak try, you pakai any baju yang you rasa you dah tak nak pakai, but this one, oh my god, I love it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Hey. Bye. Cantik gila.